When I lost my lovely parents, the dark sky covered my eyes, and I heard many different voices telling me about the confusing stories. Say that I went to become a desperate child on the street, which I saw in those few days when I was ignored by my former friends. I was in such a dilemma, and many people did not care about me. This was like a life of punishment for the crime I never committed. My lovely adoptive parent, your love makes a big difference for me. That is why I thank you. That is why I sing this song for you. I was wondering and confused with how my sweet dreams were going to be thrown away in a bin of loveless and hopeless. But my hope was rebuilt the first time I met your justice. When you adopted me, many things changed in my life. My dreams were renewed, my education was maintained. How lovely is it to see you changing my life direction. You blessed and taught me how to be a good parent. You loved and forgave me in all the ways of